the entire issue with regards to UK and the quarantine rules for people arriving into UK. Now, India's new quarantine rules for UK arrivals. Sources suggest that UK nationals arriving in India from the UK will have to undergo mandatory quarantine at home or in the destination address for 10 days after the arrival. Sources add India has decided to impose reciprocity on UK nationals arriving in India from the UK. These new regulations will come into effect from the 4th of October. They will be applicable to all UK nationals arriving from there. So this is after there still hasn't been any change in the quarantine rules and the testing rules for Indians traveling to UK, and Indians who are vaccinated, fully vaccinated, are still being treated as unvaccinated if they are to travel to UK. Now, India had warned that they would be imposing reciprocal measures if that's not changed, but that has still not been changed, and now India has decided to impose these reciprocity measures and put in the same rules that is applicable for Indians traveling to UK, and the same rules will apply for the UK people from UK who are traveling to India. Ayushman is joining us for more details here. Ayushman, India had warned UK that reciprocal measures would be imposed if those rules are not changed, and now that's exactly what's happened.
Yes, Avni. In fact, we are being told by the sources that reciprocal measures have been taken from Indian side, and India has decided that UK nationals who will be arriving after 4th of October, all nationals who are arriving in India, irrespective of their vaccination status, they will be considered as unvaccinated people, and they have to get the pre-departure COVID test, and that would be 72 hours before the travel. And once they arrive here, they have to get the COVID RT-PCR test. And on day 8 also, they have to get the RT-PCR test. And they all have to follow the mandatory home quarantine rule of 10 days after arrival in India. And the health ministry authorities and civil aviation authorities will take further steps to implement these for UK nationals who arrive in India. So this is the reciprocal measure of which the Foreign Secretary Harsh Singla had talked about in the press conference when he said that if UK doesn't remove that condition, India has the right to reciprocal action, and that action has been taken by India today.
Yes, absolutely, Ayushman. And this is something that was warned. It's going to be interesting to see how UK responds to this at this point in time, because there has been enough time that has elapsed between when, the centre said that the reciprocal measures could be imposed. Since then, enough time has elapsed for UK to change their stand and to change their rules, but they did not do that. And now, of course, it's going to be important to see how UK responds to this.
Yes, it would be important to see how UK responds, and most importantly, the vaccine which is being given in UK is Vaxzevria, which is also a vaccine that is being manufactured by in association with AstraZeneca, and also Pfizer is there. So this is a big step that India has taken in order to recognize and in order to give a message that if you don't consider Indians vaccinated, a similar rule will be applied, because India has been forthcoming in the approach that none of the vaccine nationalism should be there and vaccine passport rules should not come into play. But if a nation does that, there is always a reciprocity which will be involved, and this is how India is also going to respond. And all those UK nationals who are going to come, irrespective of their vaccination status, they have to go for quarantine and do the RT-PCR test before arrival, after arrival, and even after 8th day of in India.
Yes, absolutely, Ayushman. One final question. Just some time back, a few weeks ago, there was talk about, how UK was trying to understand the CoWIN platform, and that aspect was being looked into. Since then, has there been any development at all in terms of where that issue is and whether or not it's being worked on over the CoWIN app?
Perhaps that issue hasn't yet been ironed out, Avni, if you see, because we were told by the CoWIN chief that the discussions are on, the technical team has met, and there is a deliberation going on between both the countries, and soon a solution will be there. And after all the options are exhausted, only these kind of stringent measures are taken. So this is something which you're seeing right now is a result of what we saw from UK side, and this is a direct result of that, where you see India taking a strong step, a step that India warned of, and it clearly was reiterated by the Health Secretary that India has the right of reciprocal action, and that has been committed here from October 4th. If you are a UK national traveling to India, your vaccination status don't count. you are coming and being considered in India as an unvaccinated person, like the Indians are being considered there.
Yes, absolutely, Ayushman. Thank you so much for getting us all of those details. We'll, of course, keep track for any developments as far as this issue is concerned.